there's an investigation going on for these dams, why are some people getting unduly worried and speaking about those dams, huko? They are threatening the DCI. You've seen it, some members of parliament threatening the DCI, telling him he's not working independently, telling him he should not do his work, telling him he's targeting individuals. Why would somebody be panicking and beginning to try and intimidate investigative agencies? What interest do you have to start intimidating investigative agencies? Why are you scared that they are trained to follow and come to the truth? Why are you worried? These are tactics where some people who are used to impunity, they are beginning to intimidate the president, let alone intimidate DCI, let alone intimidate AESCC. They are moving to the next level where they want to intimidate the president so that he can go slow on the fight against corruption. They want to push him into a corner at this point in time, make him look like a lame duck president, and then they continue with their games of impunity. This is the time for the president to strike so that this matter is brought to an end and Kenyans can see the right path. You must allow the investigative agencies to do their job. If you are innocent, you have nothing to worry about.